Hello, I'm Rick Johnson with Royal Plywood. I'm a product specialist, and I'm here with Michael Fabbri with King Plastics, and we're interested in their door program. So Michael, could you share some features and benefits of it?
Absolutely. Thanks, Rick. My name is Michael Fabbri. I'm with King Plastics. I'm their national sales manager. About 10 years ago, we decided to get into the manufacturing of doors for the simple reason we found out that cabinet shops, the average cabinet shop, does not have a CNC to produce a door. Typically, it was a flat panel door. So we decided to give the offering of different styles of doors that we could manufacture for them, so they can have a different type of a product offering. And so we have different styles of doors that they can choose from any one of our standard colors.
Michael, in regards to the manufacturing process of the doors, can you kind of expand on that?
Yeah, when King Plastic looked at this program 10 years ago, we realized that the quality had to be there. We were competing against laminate doors, vacuum press doors, solid wood doors, and we had to make sure that we had a product that made the quality of our material be a step beyond what was currently out there. So we invested heavily in a CNC machine, specialty tools, and to give the quality of an unblemished product. As you can see, the door edges itself are nice and smooth, glass-like. There's no swirling, there's no chatter marks. It's just a perfect production piece of a door manufactured at King Plastics.
Michael, one other question in reference to the door program is, what is your target market, or what is your target individual that you're looking at, and how would that benefit?
Yeah, the targeted market is the independent cabinet shops who don't have a CNC machine to fabricate these doors. Very expensive for them to have, so King Plastics has stepped in to produce a door for this particular market. What's really nice is we have the support of distributors like a Royal Plywood, who is our great partner, and they work with the cabinet shops, get all the information from them and pass it on to us, and we manufacture the doors in any different styles that we offer to benefit that industry.
Is there any future developments in finishes of the product?
We just came out with our wood grain pattern. We've been asked for many years if we could do a wood grain design, and what we did was we came up with an embossing pattern to make the surface of the sheet look more rustic, wood-like compared to our standard matte finish. And it's giving us other opportunities for different markets to introduce this new type of pattern, and it's been received quite well.